we are going to click on Manage, and we're going to add a role and feature or feature. Okay, there's going to be a role-based or feature-based installation. Okay. So we're actually going to do, this time we're just going to do Active Directory domain services. And we're not going to check the .NET this time. Actually, we're going to leave that blank and push next and push next from this. So cool. So we'll close this. Cool. So there's two parts, right, to Active Directory Domain Controller. First part is installing what you just saw me install, right? The second part is you're going to promote this server to a domain controller. Anyway, so our server name, what do we say? I think we said CV Lab, I believe it was, .local. So that's what we'll use. It's Commvault Lab.local. We'll call it that. Very short, very easy to remember, type a lot of stuff, fat finger and all that. So CV Lab.local. We'll push next. So I'm going to put a password in and push next. And we're not going to click anything here. And we're not going to specify DNS. And we're going to push next out of this. Okay. Next out of this. Okay. And we're going to specify the location of the log files, sysfile log files. You can put them where you want. We're just going to leave them like they are, default for a development environment. Now it's like review your selection. What are you about to do? What are you going to do? What are you, where's your logs, right? Okay, so that's all good and happy. We know that. We're going to push next. And then it's going to do some pre-check. Sweet. We'll click install. Okay, we're about to, the computer's about to restart because the Active Directory Domain Controller is installed, so it's going to restart. So welcome to the domain. Server Manager, from Server Manager, go Tools. And then, so we're doing Active Directory users and computers. From here, you can add anything. You can create users, create anybody, add computers to the domain as you like. So that's how you would actually add a computer. So double click on them, and you're going to give him domain admin privileges, by the way, because you want him or her, if it's a user, right, that person, you want to give them rights to add, to be able to do anything on the domain. Domain admin, right? I can do anything, domain admin, DA, domain admin. So type in domain, check names, domain admin. That user now has X to anything, can do anything on the domain. So now we go into our domain admins, right, the group, and we will see that user CV there, Commvault. Okay, awesome. Okay, so this has been setting up Active Directory.